Experience next-level charging with advanced GaN technology. This addition to our charging family offers fast charging for your device in an exceptionally compact and convenient size. Gallium nitride (GaN) is a high-performance alternative to the traditional silicon used in charging devices. GaN transistors produce less heat, allowing components to be closer together, which means you get a much smaller charger with all the power of a big one. Charge large and small devices, including MacBook Air, iPhone, iPad and AirPods. Fast charging with USB-C power delivery. For powering up at home or on the go, our 30W USB-C GaN Charger provides fast charging for USB-C PD-enabled devices. Charge a MacBook Air from 0 to 50% in just 70 minutes or fast charge an iPhone 8 or later from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Safe, reliable power. Built-in protection keeps your devices safe from overcurrent and overvoltage damage. USB-C power delivery certification ensures reliable performance with all compatible devices. Charge your devices via USB-C. Our wall charger supports a wide range of devices, including those from Samsung and Google as well as MacBook Air, iPad Pro, and iPhone, charging cable not included. Top reviews from the United States. Works with MacBook Air. I saw a review that says it works with MacBook Air but it does not. This isn't true, it does work with MacBook Air. I writing this review with a 2020 MacBook Air and not only is it charging with this product, I have it plugged into a dongle that is also charging my iPad Pro and iPhone at the same time. This product works as advertised, so you can ignore 1-star reviews.